Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will have on the menu, I should call all my unboxings like what's on the menu today. What do you guys think about it? Let me know. So today in the menu we will have some Chanel reveal. En plus, it goes well together. Today in the menu we will have a Chanel reveal. Well, yeah. Let's do it. So guys, today I'm gonna reveal to you a unicorn. This is a unicorn bag because you can find it. I will put here the links on eBay because I think there is one or two, but the prices are like between $5,000 to $8,000. Yes, $5,000 to $8,000 for a vintage bag that it's not in leather. That's, you know, the point. The bag is not in leather at all. So yeah, this is a pain in my boom to pay this price. Yeah, I would like never pay the price they ask for. So I'm so happy I was able to find it in Switzerland, so no taxes to pay, no duties, and the price was like a bargain. So affordable. Before going, you know, too far in my explanations, let me show you what I'm talking about. We can already see it's a denim with a strap, and this is a massive and huge, oh my god, this is a huge Chanel bag. This is her name is Chanel Supermodel bag. So this bag is really big. Oh my god, yeah, and it's denim and I love it. I remember about 1 year ago I saw it on eBay and I almost, the person was asking 3,500. I tried to find, you know, to have it for 2,800. The seller said like no way, maybe 3,000, etc. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna pay 3,000 for a bag I will never wear. Because okay, it's cool if you travel a lot and you know you can fit a lot. Okay, it's super heavy. I will take it, it will stay like this. It's a bag you can fit a lot of things, but I don't have my neck anymore. I'm looking super strange. It's a bag you can wear a lot of things, travel with, etc. But I'm not traveling at all, and this bag is massive. It's really huge. It's beautiful though. It's super pretty. Okay, so how can I show you guys the inside? Let me first open. So you have this. Okay, this is gonna be super hard to show. So you can, first you have this, you know, turn lock here. Then here you have a zip. Okay. So first, you have some space. Okay, no. Let me take off the towels I put inside. Whew. Okay, so let me try to show you. First, you have this huge, you can store your family here, pocket. Then you have, you know, the main bag. Inside, you have a big zip here. And you have another big zip here. Whew, my arms. And then you have one last pocket. So it's 1, like 2, and 3. Okay? I'm tired. I'm exhausted. The bag is really big. It would be nice if I, you know, check the measurements. I will try to do it one day. Okay, I'm exhausted. This bag is made in, I don't even know where. Inside it's fabric. This one is made in Italy. I don't have the authenticity card, but I still have the stickers. It's 7 digits starting with 4. My god, I'm exhausted. This thing is huge. And okay, Jesus, close. This will be my worst video ever. So this bag, oh, I forgot to show you the detail at the back. There is a big CC embroidered at the back, and you have, you know, this turn lock. The bag looks in a super great condition, even if we have, you know, denim is always like, you can have some denim coming off, etc. There's a little white spot I will cover later. I'm exhausted. Here on the zip you have this huge Chanel ball. You can kill someone because it's heavy, and I think it's really pretty to have this bling ding ding here. Okay, I'm not feeling my arms anymore. So I really wanted this bag because it's a denim bag. I think it's really pretty. I have to say, this is not my first supermodel bag. I do have one in the brown color. I got in the same Swiss website for 650. It's a leather bag, and the thing was a bargain. You can still find supermodel bags on eBay. They are around 2,500 to 3,000, and they, you know, they even go for more. This one here, because it's a denim, and you know how much vintage denim Chanel bags are expensive. I don't know why. I would like to understand why, but this one here, I saw it on eBay for $5,000 to $7,000. Super expensive, and I got mine for 1,000. No, the seller was asking $1,500 more or less, and I got it for 1,250. So a really good bargain for a bag like this, because I know I can, if I sell, I will, you know, at least sell it for the double of the price. This bag is just super pretty. Yeah, what can I say? I don't know, it's just beautiful. And as I'm not traveling and I am obese and I need to lose some weight, I think this might be my gym bag. Yes, I know, might be a little bit too extra to have this bag as a gym bag, especially because it's a unicorn. Maybe I'm not going to do this. This sounds stupid. But yeah, huge, amazing, incredible and rare Chanel bag. I love it. I cannot believe I have it in my collection. I will do a video about my vintage Chanel denim bags, because I do have 4, and this is my biggest one, and I know how much I wanted denim bags, and I think I'm just so lucky, you know, in have this one, to have my classic flap and my other Chanel bags. I'm exhausted. This thing is heavy. The bag itself, it's not too heavy. It's just because, as I said, I am obese and I need to do some cardio and some weightlifting. But yeah, the bag itself, I think it's lighter than my lambskin one, the same one as this one, but in lambskin. But yeah, guys, this is the one, baby, I wanted to show you today. Let me try to put it behind me. Let the jumbo pass. Whew. Okay, we'll try to finish this video without dying. So guys, this is the one I wanted to show you. it wasn't planned, you know, this one was not on my mind, on my wish list, on my budget or whatever. I just wasn't planning to buy this one, but when I saw it in Switzerland for the price I got it, I was like, girl, you cannot let it pass, even if you just buy and resell afterwards. But when I opened the bag, I was like, Jesus, this is an amazing and the kind of bag you cannot find anymore. And yeah, it's stunning. I love, you know, the super yellow and the, you know, the contrast between the yellow and the blue one. The details are amazing. You have this gorgeous CC embroidered at the back. Love it. This is a masterpiece in my collection. So yeah, I'm happy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. There is a lot of Chanel reveals coming. I'm really trying, you know, to show you guys all the bags I bought, because I really want, you know, to film my Chanel bag collection. This is one of the most requested video I always get messages about, but I'm just trying, you know, to show you guys all I bought so I can film the video. But I'm trying to do this, really trying. Guys, thank you so much for watching, for your patience, for your love, for everything. I love you guys. Je vous fais des gros bisous, and I see you in my next video. Bye.